Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to set or reset your Palmpay transaction PIN. Step 1. Set your PIN in app first time. When you first sign up your Palmpay account, you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit transaction PIN during setup. This is required before you can start making transaction. Step 2. To reset it, after successfully opening the app, then the next thing to do is to go to your account settings. To go to your account settings, you click on me right here. Then you click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Choose reset Palmpay PIN. Now to reset your Palmpay PIN, you click on login details. Then as you can see, you click on select password. Then you will follow the on-screen prompts. You will be asked to enter a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email to confirm it's really you. Step 4. Set your new PIN. Once verified, enter your new 4-digit PIN, then confirm it a second time to lock it in. Step 5. An alternative, reset via USSD without the app. If you can't access the app, dial *861#. Select reset pin and follow the prompt to create a new one. This works without internet, directly through your registered phone number. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to set or reset your Palmpay transaction pin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.